Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys home screen setting, and today video title guys how to set app driver mode setting in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to use Redmi mobile phone app driver mode setting, so how to use app driver one by one step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Let's open your Redmi mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, friends scroll it and friends click here home screen setting. After on home screen, second option click here home screen setting, classic setting, and friends you can see right side with app driver mode setting is right side and left side is classic mode. So friends you want to use app driver mode setting. So friends click here after on app driver mode setting. Friends you can swipe here on your Redmi mobile and you can use all icon in app driver friends. And friends, if you click classic mode, so friends you cannot swipe here your Redmi mobile. You cannot use all icon in app driver. So friends you want to display all icon in app driver, so when right side click here and friends you can use all icon in app driver in your Redmi mobile. You can swipe and you can use it. And friends you want to use background. When this background, friends you want to change Redmi mobile phone background. So friends click here and you can change Redmi mobile background from here. Apply here. As you can see background color will change, and you want to use background light color again, so click here apply here, and then you can set default background color. Scroll bar setting, as you want to use A to Z original layout, and if you click here, as you can see scroll bar always A to Z will show here right side, and when if you click here original layout, so when original layout you can use it. So like that friends you can use home screen setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.